warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduction myself. My name is Muhammad Faiz Amros dari kelas PBIA nomor NIM 241241008. Baik, saya akan menjawab pertanyaan berikut. Number one, what is morphology and how does it bring the gap between the sound and meaning in language? Answer. Number one, morphology is the linguistic student of the word focus on the hear internal structure and how they hear format the from smaller unity colon challenge morphemes in the origin sound and the meaning by analyzing how tense morphemes forms the weak meaning combine to patinal word and often existing honest. The two changing the meaning or grammatical function. Pertanyaan kedua, how did the field of morphology evolve from classical language student to modern linguistic theory? Answer. Number two, the evolution of morphology from classical linguistic to modern linguistic is a shift from using classical language to parents so as Greek and the Latin as standard the form describing often language the two a more descriptive apparent to focus on the unique parents of a language and developing broader linguistic theory. The classical students they often emphasize the classical language, foreign language. The two and more description important the focus on the unity difference of a language and developing the broader and linguistic theory. Classical students often the emphasize classical language parents on the other language. The well modern linguistics send the to understand in the here structure of language. The two in the depth analysis at various linguistic levels. Pertanyaan nomor 3. What is morphological collagen important for English language teacher, especially in terms of vocabulary introduction and the error correction? Answer. Morphological collagen is the crucial for English teacher because it enhances vocabulary introduction be enability student to understand the word structure and the information, the form, preposition, subject, and routes. Repetitive, building the hear word, collagen, and reading skill. Pertanyaan keempat, what is the difference between the free morphemes and the bound morphemes, and can you give explanation of Asian as well? The difference between the free and the bound morphemes is that free morphemes can stand alone and independent. The word will bound morphemes cannot and they must be intended to another morphemes to bound a word. Pertanyaan kelima, how did morphological instruction help students in the case student presenting particularly in the terms of vocabulary acquisition and grammatical accuracy? Answer. By correcting vocabulary develop the ability to deduce the meaning of the new word based on the morphemes, perfection, suffixation, the root, and improving grammatical accuracy. They be understanding how change in the word from implementation and derivational derivational for Hamas, even the meaning and grammatical fantasy.